Okay, so hey everyone, welcome back to Sly Fox Studios, where today, as you can see, we have cars on this bottom railroad. And if you didn't know, there's actually a bottom part to this railroad that has appeared in one other video, maybe two, I don't know. And as you can see, it's a really nice layout, but we need to, if you didn't know, here in Kenosha, there's been tons of rain, tons of it. Flooded this whole bottom part. You can see on the buildings, there's a little line of dirt. It was flooded that high and it was really bad. It wasn't really flooding, it was just really just the lawn. So, and there is jammed up. We're trying to get this to run. And, yeah. I'll see when we get it running or whenever something else happens. This isn't working.
Hold on, let me see what's going on.
C is our strongest engine, at least in pulling things. So, I'm gonna have Percy go around one lap and see what it can do with the cleaner car we have, and see what we can do on the tracks. You're going very fast. We couldn't get Percy to work with the caboose, so we were trying to do it without the caboose. And it also wasn't, or she, I don't even know what it is. We work on the outside. Just stopped.
No, again, our track, with all that rain, our track is compromised.
Yeah. See what we can do. It looks like James might save it. Save the montage at the end. Okay. Hopefully so. Hey, James is on the... Whoa, look. Let's see if we can get through the tunnel. Yes, he made it through the tunnel. So, but he did not make it after it. Because of a stupid rock. Well, great. There we go. He has saved it. The montage. At the end of the video. Just nudge him. Nudge him. Nudge him. Good. Okay. Good. It's good. He's doing what he needs to do. Not working the best, but he is doing what he needs to do. James and Percy. No. James and Percy are saving the day. James and Percy cleaning out the tunnel to get pretty looking montage with pretty looking trains. Oh no. I'm gonna have to go save him. Percy died again. Okay. Let's see, will James do it? No? Let's go over there and push him. Go. Yes, be free. Okay. That is kind of off. I wanted to make it, not make it perfect. If he falls off, then mission has failed. He just needs to. Okay, he's going down. Going to part. You can get it back to the tunnel, back to right there. Just wait. Then we'll put on the trains and go back. Okay, before I show you the pretty montage, I'm just going to show you the train. You have got a little locomotive. a car with some logs. We got horse car, Gramps oil car. We have just a standard box car, and then we have the Buddy Yellow caboose. Right now, this current part of the layout is off, and I'm gonna bring James back around over here, and we're gonna get a pretty montage. See you then.